you said you don't like water, but it's really going to help alleviate that tension in your head. Alright. I'm going to just feel around a little bit more. Just going to dab, keep it dabbing. I need to really feel your cheeks for any swelling in your head, any pressure. Dab, dab, really just dab, dab, dab. Okay. What I'm feeling for is any water retention on your face. That can actually tell us a lot about your stress levels and a lot about your healthy habits. So, okay, so you say you do have a bit of a tension in your head. Your face feels okay. I do need you to start drinking a little bit more water, as I said before. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to listen to your heart. This is my favorite part. Okay, I just need you to breathe in and out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and out. And again, breathe in and out. Again for me. Perfect. I'm just quickly going to reach to the back of you. I'm just going to listen to your lungs. Breathe in. Breathe out. Big breaths. And just the side. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay. I do hear a little bit of a murmur going on. That shouldn't be anything to worry about. But I do want to take another listen, if you don't mind. Okay, I need you to give me deep breaths. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in and out. with your stressful schedule, I see here in my notes from last time that you are the owner of a very successful company. I know how hard that can be. So you do need to take regular breaks. Remember to breathe and take a breather. Remember that you're also a human being that needs time. So please do take time out of your schedule to just reset, relax. And then as for your takeout, it's causing your sodium levels to be a little bit high, but it's okay because your breakfast and lunch sort of, cancel each other out, but it would be better that you focus on a balanced diet. Okay. The next test I want to do, I'd actually like you to come back. I'm going to order a EKG. I'd like to do that with you. And then what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to get on the treadmill for me today, if you don't mind. I want to see the stress of your heart, how well it can take it. So if you don't mind just getting off the chair and getting onto the treadmill, and I will see you there in a moment. Okay, so I want you to start by walking slowly on the treadmill, so press that little start button. There you go. Alright, now you're going to walk for me, and I'm going to time you 3 minutes. I want your heart to be really elevated, but I want you to tell me when you just cannot take it anymore. Okay, when your heart starts beating fast, you're going to tell me to stop. So start walking for me. Okay, then I will tell you when to increase your speed. Keep going. Alright, now while you're doing that, I know this sounds strange, but I'm going to listen to your heart while you are running on the treadmill. So, I'd like you to go a little bit faster, please. Excellent. Now if you can stay at that speed and breathe in and out, deep breaths in and out. Keep going. Breathe. Breathe in and out. I'm just gonna randomly move my stethoscope. Breathe. Keep running. There you go. That's what I want to hear. That's it. There you go, you got it. Keep going. Breathe. Breathe in. And breathe out. You're doing a great job. Excellent. Okay, you can slow down. In fact, you can actually come off the treadmill for me. Okay. Right, so I'm just gonna come into your bubble one more time. Now I want to just feel. I just want to feel your shoulders. Okay. Do you feel any tension? And I just want to feel your chest as well. Okay. Did you have any scarlet fever when you were a baby, or rheumatic fever that you know of? You're not sure? Okay, because the last time you were here in your folder, you said you might have had a possible case of scarlet fever, and that's what could cause this movement that I'm hearing in the heart. Usually it does go away. Usually you get it at a very young age and you grow out of it. It's nothing serious. Just look up for me. I do need you to drink a lot more water. You are a little bit dehydrated. But I'm going to run a report on everything that we have done today, and I will send that over to you via email. Just remind me what your email address is again. .com. Okay. So, for now, what I can conclude from all the tests that we have done is that everything sounds good, everything looks good, and I'm glad that you decided to come off the Xanax. What I do suggest is start slowly weaning yourself off the Xanax, because I don't feel that you need those anymore. You've come a very long way from the last time that you were here. The last time your heart rate was over the moon. Now you've brought it down to 75 beats per minute, resting heart rate, which is very good. Your oxygen levels are phenomenal. Just remember your dinner needs to be a little bit more balanced, and other than that, you are looking perfectly healthy, just a little bit dehydrated, so do better on the water. Other than that, you are looking good, and I'm very, very happy with your progress and with your results. And I want to tell you that I am very, very